Hi, excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but do you know which bus goes to the airport?
Oh, hi. No problem at all. Yes, the airport bus is number 25.
Number 25? Great. Does it leave from this stop?
Yes, it does. The stop is just across the street near the coffee shop.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much. I'm always nervous about catching the wrong bus.
I understand. Traveling can be stressful. Are you flying somewhere far?
Yes, I'm going to London for a conference. What about you?
I'm actually just waiting for the city bus. But I've taken the airport bus many times.
That's good to know. Do you happen to know how long the ride is?
Usually around 40 to 45 minutes, depending on traffic.
That sounds manageable. My flight is at 3 p.m. Do you think I'll have enough time?
What time is it now?
It's almost 11 o'clock.
Oh, then you're perfectly fine. You'll arrive at the airport more than 2 hours before your flight. That's plenty of time to check in.
Phew, that's a relief. Do you know how much the bus ticket costs?
Yes, it's about €6. You can pay the driver directly or buy a ticket at the machine over there.
Perfect. I'll get one at the machine so I don't have to worry later.
Good idea. By the way, the buses usually come every 20 minutes, so you shouldn't wait too long.
That's great. Honestly, I was afraid I'd have to take a taxi, and those are so expensive.
True, the bus is much cheaper and it's comfortable too.
Thank you so much for your help. You've saved me a lot of stress.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a smooth flight and a great trip.
Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
You'd safe travels.